Hi friends, I am Radhika Gupta, CEO of Edelweiss Asset Management, and I am delighted to talk to both our investors and advisors through this video today. One of the reasons for wanting to talk to you at this time is the very special market conditions that we are in. Bull markets, they say, are born on pessimism, grow on skepticism, mature on optimism, and die of euphoria. The Sensex recently moved past 33,000 for the first time in history, and that created yet another big moment for the bull market. This has left many of us cheering, but of course, not everybody is feeling the same. Some of us are still worried about the wounds of the 2008 crash. Some of us are worried that have we missed out on yet another market rally. This kind of equity market can make even the most experienced investor wonder, is it time to change course, take my equity gains and shift into fixed income? The truth, I'll say though, is if you're worried about risk today, there's something that may surprise you even more than the pace of the bull market. The biggest risk in this bull market is not the market itself, it's your asset allocation. One of the most dangerous phases in investing is the 4 words, this time it's different. And the key is, don't let market sentiment influence your asset allocation decisions. With markets trading at these levels, it's very easy to think we'll book our gains and get out before the market takes a turn. And yes, it will take that turn eventually, but this is often easier said than done. Investment strategies go wrong during bull markets and they come back to bite you in the bear phase. And that's why we think, friends, it's important to have some exposure today to asset allocation funds. In the asset allocation category today, I want to talk to you about an offering from our fund house, Edelweiss Balanced Advantage Fund, which we think is the right fit for investors and advisors in today's market environment. This is a balanced advantage category fund that dynamically manages equity levels depending on the market cycle, focusing on the importance of asset allocation during extreme market conditions. Our objective is to capture upside during bull markets and provide downside protection during bear markets. The idea is for investors to enjoy the wealth creation by investing in equities, but also experience consistency, lower volatility, and better downside protection. How do we do this? Through a dynamic equity allocation strategy which manages equity exposure between the 30 and 100% range. It allocates as much as 100% in equities in a bull market and as low as 30% in equities in poor market conditions. Equity allocation in this fund is done using something we call the Edelweiss Equity Health Index, which is a proprietary model that looks at market direction, fundamentals and volatility. The basic principles, friends, here is to increase exposure when markets are doing well on the winning side and reduce exposure on the losing side when markets are doing poorly. When we compare the net equity levels of the Nifty versus the Edelweiss Equity Health Index, we can see that the average equity levels are higher during a bull market and poorer during a bear market. Now, many of you would have seen dynamic asset allocation funds or balanced advantage funds, but this fund has a very unique approach to asset allocation. When you look at asset allocation globally, there are broadly 2 approaches, a counter-cyclical approach and a pro-cyclical approach. A counter-cyclical approach is a fundamental model based on things like price to earnings, price to book, dividend yield, and the idea is you reduce equity exposure in a bull market and increase equity exposure during a bear market when your price to earnings ratios fall. This is traditionally the approach adopted by balanced advantage funds. On the other hand, a pro-cyclical approach looks at quantitative factors as well as fundamentals, and the idea is to have higher equity exposure when markets are doing well and lower equity exposure when markets are doing poorly. The end objective is that the investor will have higher equity participation and more wealth creation in bull markets and lower equity participation and higher downside protection during bear markets. That's where we think Edelweiss Balanced Advantage model is unique compared to other models. Our pro-cyclical approach allows investors to create wealth during bull markets but also protect wealth during bear markets. That's where the Edelweiss Balanced Advantage Fund and the EHI model is unique compared to traditional category of funds. Friends, it was a pleasure talking to you through this video, and in the end I'd like to leave you with an interesting quote that we read. Investment risk comes often from too high prices, and too high prices can often come from the combination of excessive optimism and inadequate skepticism and risk aversion. Edelweiss Balanced Advantage Fund hopefully will help you in addressing some of the risks that come from this excessive optimism and inadequate skepticism that the equity markets are currently facing. Enjoy your investing journey. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.